Now we look into the Shirodhara pot, or you call it Shirodhara stand. As you can see it oscillating. The two important things to convey to here. What is Shirodhara's purpose, and which is simply why it is done, and how the procedure is done. We have 4 different varieties of Shirodhara being done here. It is with herbal buttermilk, it is with herbal water, it is with milk, it is with oil. Of course, all have different indications because different uses. The important thing about Shirodhara is that it is one of the most de-stressing therapies. And no matter what, we would always do the Shirodhara for every patient here unless there is some contraindication, which would be fever, sinusitis of acute origin, or it could be even a running nose, and such kind of infective situations would prevent us from doing it. And the relevance is so easy to relate, head being the area that has the pituitary gland, the master gland, and that controls all the functions of the endocrinology, and of course the brainstem, the brain matter, everything. The neuroendocrinology, neurology and endocrinology is all from the head. The Shirodhara has a lot of importance in that. Few of the common conditions that we find very effective in Shirodhara, the list is long. Few of them is sleeplessness, is anxiety, stress, depression, chronic fatigue, psoriasis. Yes, no mistake, psoriasis because of a psychosomatic relation, and peptic ulcer, no exaggeration, because of the psychic and the somatic effect, and the list is long. It's very important that you are in a very relaxed stage, and it's also very important that the door is closed. Now, only for the sake of shooting, we have the door open. Otherwise, the door is closed. It should be as silent as possible, and this will keep on oscillating like this. The importance is that it is a continuous flow, uninterrupted stream of the liquid, whichever it is. And later on, the head would be washed and everything. We would of course use this one like if you are claustrophobic or you are uncomfortable with this, you can definitely do it with open eyes, no problem at all. Nevertheless, we would prefer, and it is safer to have this earplugs, if I may say so. The liquid doesn't have to enter to the head, the ear. That is a simple idea. Very, very, very important. If your therapist is having any disharmony or a discord or any lack of synchronization, you have to let us know. Of course, you have to let know the therapist, and of course you have to let us know. We can make it always better for you. There should be no talking in this treatment room. Come water, what be the urgency, wherever, whatever. We need it silence, peaceful. Last point in Shirodhara, some difficulties. Some feel extremely emotional, some feel uncomfortable, some cry away, some break down. Lot of emotional things may or may not come out. On a physical plane, some feel numb, some may feel burning sensation, and some may feel like a pain here and there, and some may feel restless. But after 30 minutes, you are always free to abandon it. We need at least 30 minutes. For some people, we do up to 1 hour, exceptionally 1.5 hours. Duration is totally up to you and me to figure it out, or any other doctor at Athreya to figure it out. And that is usually we have a standard of nearly 45 minutes. But after 30 minutes, you are free to walk off, because that is usually fine for some people. So this is about Shirodhara, one of the best stress buster therapy in Ayurveda, which many people say that they feel extremely so relaxed that they have one of the best peaceful state of minds in that. And if you're using Fitbit, I've had many patients telling how they feel better, values of the sleep in the Fitbit evaluation. I personally have seen the benefits of the sleep quality getting changed with Shirodhara. And please do not confuse with your Shirodhara and somebody else. We have definite indications and will do accordingly. Next, we directly get into action of all the 4 varieties that we do here. And please take this video as a standard format and not a cut paste. There will be some deviations or some variations that will be done for some people. So I hope this is fairly clear enough. Any other doubts, we can always have one-to-one clarification.